Hey guys, Chris here. Now, Tilray and Aphria have moved one step closer to becoming the biggest cannabis-based company based off of revenue. Aphria and Tilray had a vote last week on whether or not this merger will finally set in place. So in this video, I basically want to give you guys the most up-to-date information on what exactly is going on behind the scenes on this merger to make sure you guys are the most up-to-date. And as always, I always try to do my best to give you guys the most informed information that I possibly can. And if this is something you like and you do enjoy, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about Tilray and Aphria. Now, Aphria, ticker symbol APHA, right now after hours is trading for $14.66. In this one trading day, they gained overall almost 3%, guys. In the past 5 trading days, they still have been going green and going pretty darn strong. They have a market cap of $4.55 billion with an average volume of 23.4 million. Now, Aphria was the company that had the vote on Wednesday. Now, Tilray, ticker symbol TLRY, was supposed to have their vote on Friday to approve this merger. After hours, they're trading for $17.84. And just like Aphria, they have been gaining and they're almost up 3%, almost 4%. In their past 5 trading days, they are still going green and going pretty strong. A market cap of $2.99 billion with an average volume of 36.5 million. And both of these companies are considered to be overvalued for many investors, but once this merger is completed, maybe it's not as overvalued. Maybe it could be a neutral or maybe even a little bit over a buy. Now, both these stocks are going to mimic each other from now on because of the so-called merger. If Aphria is up, Tilray is going to be up, and if Tilray is down, Aphria will be down as well. Aphria and Tilray cannabis merger moves a step closer to becoming an approved big-time merger. Okay, now Aphria did have a vote on Wednesday, and 99.84% of the votes became positive and did want to complete this merger. Okay, and that was huge. Only 2/3 of this was supposed to happen and was supposed to be approved, but almost the entirety of Aphria's company approved this. Okay, so that only left Tilray, and Tilray was supposed to vote on Friday on whether or not this merger was going to happen, but Tilray had some sort of delay and decided, you know what, we're going to push it back to April 30th, which in a way, guys, that is not good nor bad news. But in a way, it's more of a good news because the way Tilray approached it, they were trying to give more chances for shareholders to vote on this, merger. Okay, they want this merger to happen. They do want to become the most overall company that is selling so many major brands and products throughout all of Canada and the United States and even internationally. They do have big time brands in their portfolio that could really benefit both of these companies. So when it comes to Tilray, they will not require 2/3 approval or voting for the shareholders. They will only now require 1/3 of the voting power of outstanding shares in order to approve this deal to move on forward. Okay, so now with today's change, the company has to find only another roughly 8% of voters to reach the desired quorum to approve this so-called merger. Okay, that's kind of why they wanted to prolong the date and extend it to April 30th to make sure they get the other 8% of voters to approve this merger. And if this merger does happen, it's going to be very, very big. The moment Aphria and Tilray merge, they're expected to have a revenue of $874 million, moving forward. Okay, that's why this is such a big deal. Okay, now if Tilray shareholders do not approve this deal or do not support this deal after Aphria shareholders backed it up and approved their side, Tilray will owe Aphria a transaction expense of $10 million. Okay, that is a huge, dent if Tilray does not approve this merger moving forward. But we all know that at least the Tilray CEOs and everybody that is in the top want to approve this merger and want to continue to be the most dominant cannabis company out there. Okay, now the moment Aphria and Tilray do merge, Aphria stocks will turn into Tilray stocks, but for every 1 share of Aphria, you will have 0.83 shares of a Tilray share. Okay, so I know a lot of people in my comment section were asking me about that. I just wanted to clear that up for you guys that may or may not have known that, just so you can know one Aphria share will become 0.83 share of a Tilray stock. Okay, so that's basically what's going on with Tilray and Aphria moving forward about this merger. We are all expecting this merger to actually continue and to move forward, later on in the future. Okay, now the big company here is going to be Tilray, because that's the company that is going to be trading on the ticker symbol, and that's going to be the name of the company after the two brands merge. It's going to be Tilray. So whether or not Tilray stock is a company right now, in my opinion, I think so. I do think this merger will be completed on April 30th, and moving forward, it's going to become a very impactful cannabis company, even moving forward. We all know that Canada is overwhelmed with cannabis companies, but if Tilray could become the biggest company and the number one cannabis company there, Tilray won't really have too much to worry about. All the brand names and everything that they have under their belt will become a real big benefit for Tilray as a company, not just the stock, but as the company moving forward. And the stock will portray what the company will be doing later on in the future. Okay, and all my videos, I do have a stock price prediction of this company reaching around $25, maybe even $30 long term once this merger is completed. I do see it moving even higher once the Joe Biden administration does approve marijuana to be legalized throughout the whole United States. And that's going to be very big for all cannabis companies, especially the number one player in Canada, Tilray and Aphria. Alright guys, so that's basically my update on Tilray and Aphria. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. As always, I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information. And if there's something you like, you want to be part of a growing community, please remember to give me a big subscribe push. And it does help me out as well. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. See you guys next time. Comment down below what you guys think about Aphria and Tilray. Now I am saying Aphria now correctly this time. I know I've been getting smashed in the comment section saying that I've been pronouncing it wrong. I do hope I do say it correctly this time. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. See you guys next time, man. Bye.